Welcome to my HTML programming course on the HTML key elements. Let's get started. When we write text in HTML, we can use a number of other HTML elements to control the text or to make it appear in a certain way. These tags should be opened and closed around the text. Let's see what are all the key elements available in HTML. There is a bold element with B tag, which is used to highlight the important information. There is a strong element with strong tag, which behaves exactly like bold element and used to highlight important information. There is an italic element with I tag, which is used to denote the text. There is an emphasized text element with EM tag, which is usually used as the image captions. There is a marked text element with mark tag, which is used to highlight the background of the text. And we have the small text element with small tag, which is used to shrink the text. And we have the striked out text element with strike tag, which is used to place a horizontal line across the text. There is an underlined text element with U tag, which is used for links or text highlights. And we have inserted text element with INS tag, which will behave exactly like underline element, and it is displayed with an underline to show the inserted text. There is the subscript text element with the SUB tag, which is used to style the text in the typographical way. There is one more typographical style element, which is superscript text element with SUP tag. These are all the HTML key elements.
Let's see this in action. I have opened the HTML file in the Visual Studio Code and I'm launching this file using Live Server. Here we have the list of paragraph elements. We will use each one to see how each HTML element works. In the first paragraph element, we are going to apply bold text element to the text bold. So I'm adding B tag. In between the opening and closing tags, I'm placing the text bold. Let's save it to see the output. See, the text bold is displayed with bold style. I am slightly zooming to see the output clearly. In the second paragraph element, I am going to apply strong text element to the text strong. So I am adding strong tag, and in between the opening and closing tags, I am placing the text strong. Now save the file to see the output. The text strong is displayed boldly. In the third paragraph element, I am going to apply italic text element to the text italic. So I am adding I tag, and in between the opening and closing tags, I am placing the text italic. Let's save the file and see the output in the browser. The text italic is displayed with italic style. In the fourth paragraph element, I am going to apply emphasized text element for the text emphasized. So I am adding EM tag, and in between the opening and closing tags, I am placing the text emphasized. Let's save the file to see how it displays in the browser. See, the text element emphasized is displayed with italic style. For the next P element, I am going to apply marked text element to the text marked. So I am adding mark tag, and in between the opening and closing tags, I am placing the text marked. Let's save the file to see how it displays in the web browser. The text marked is having the highlighted background. For the next paragraph element, I am going to apply small text element for the text small. So I am creating small tag, and in between the opening and closing tags, I am placing the text small. Let's save the file and see the result in the browser. The text small is appeared in the shrinked way. For the next paragraph element, I am going to apply deleted text element for the text deleted. So I am creating del tag, and in between the opening and closing tags, I am placing the text deleted. Let's save the file and see the output. We could see the horizontal line across the text deleted. For the next paragraph element, we are going to apply insert a text element for the text ins. For that, I am adding ins tag, and in between the opening and closing tags, I am placing the text ins. Let's save the file, and in the browser, we could see the underline for the text ins. For the next paragraph element, I am going to apply subscript text element for the text subscript. For the next paragraph element, I am going to apply subscript text element for the text subscript. For that, I am creating sub tag, and in between the opening and closing tags, I am placing the text subscript. Let's save the file and see how the subscript text appears in the browser. For the last paragraph element, I am going to apply superscript text element for the text superscript. For that, I am adding sup tag, and in between the opening and closing tags, I am placing the text superscript. Let's save the file and see how the superscript text appears in the browser.
That's all about HTML key elements. In the next video, we will see about HTML lists. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment this video. If you want to stay up to date with our latest content, please subscribe to my channel, Spider Tech Hub. Thank you.